Welcome. So now I am on my code editor and I'm going to create a file called 4.html and I'm going to take the content from 3 and paste it in our 4.html file. I would like to get rid of this and I would just go ahead and create a div with, let's say, a certain class. So I'm going to just say div dot text hyphen center. What it simply means is using emit, which is a feature of VS Code, it's going to generate something like this. If I hit enter, it will generate me the code. This is a shortcut way to do this. And now I would like to have a paragraph with a class called text white as well. And I would like to have some dummy text lorem. Let's say I want 10 words. Hit enter. So let's go ahead and see how it looks. Again, this is just a shortcut. You could use that. So now we have this on our screen. Maybe the text is too long, so I will get rid of some, let's say. And I'm also going to change this to responsive design. Save it and let's go ahead and see how it looks. So this looks like this, white color on this particular device, which is my desktop laptop. But let's say, how does it look on the mobile? So this is, let's say, the small device, and it is, let's say, the mobile device. So as per the definition, it's mobile first, which means by default it will be white. But what if I would like to change it to, I would like to override it for small devices, and I would say text should be green. So green, let's take a shade of this. So now what happens is, as we said, Tailwind is mobile first, so it will apply text white for the mobile devices. So when we are on this form, we see as this color as white. Now, until the time I reached a small device width, it's not going to turn white. So as soon as I reach small device width, it turns white. Until that time, it is white, and of course when I reached small device above it becomes green. So how it works is, if nothing is provided, so it works for mobile devices and above. So it's going to remain text white for small, mobile, small, medium, large devices like here. It's not going to change at all. But if I add this, then what happens? In the mobile, until a small device, it remains white, but as soon as a small device width is reached, from small device onwards, any other device, it will be again always this color. See, if I further override it for something, for a medium, let's say for a medium device, if I override it as text red, let's see what happens. So for the mobile devices, default white. For small devices, it will become green. And as I increase, for medium devices, it will become red. And it will continue to be red because I have not overridden it for further devices. So from the device onwards, if there is no overriding, then it continues for that particular device. And if I add it here as large, maybe I would change the color now to text yellow. So let's see what happens. White, which is mobile first, small devices green, medium devices red, and large devices yellow, and it will continue to be the same. So this is what it means by responsive design, and all the classes that we apply are all mobile first, unless we have a different color or different style for different other aspects. So let's say if I want to have a different background color for medium devices, MD, BG, green, until I reached the medium device width, it will be this color. So let me show you. Increase, increase, and you see it became green suddenly when it reached the medium width. So you can apply this on different properties, and it is going to act based upon the breakpoints that we saw mentioned here. So this was about the responsive design in Tailwind CSS. Thank you.